Say tissue. You grab me a tissue.
What was the Wi-Fi you?
Cartel family.
Huh?
Cartel family.
No caps?
No caps, no. What up, chat? You guys hear me? I apologize for the little stream today. It's a little bit last minute. Just make sure everything's working and stuff. 1 second. Can you guys all hear me clearly? I'm just at a cafe at the moment. Is the sound okay? Just had a bit of issues with the Airbnb. They had a bit of issues and they had to come through. So I do apologize for the little the setup for today. Just bear with me, guys. We're here to obviously trade and make a bit of money. Today's been an absolute roller coaster of a day. But just give me a thumbs up if everyone can hear me, if everything's good. Would appreciate it. It's all good. It's all good. Cool. Sweet, sweet, sweet. Thanks, guys. Thanks, guys. Do appreciate you all tuning in. We can see that gold's dumping a little bit. Let me just put my other earpiece in. Block out a bit of noise. Yeah, what's up, guys? What's up? Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. What up? Okay. LNB, massive good morning. Good, good, good. Sweet, sweet, sweet. Thanks, guys. Thanks, guys. Appreciate you all. Again, if you just joined in, the problem is, guys, gonna be honest, a little bit of life happened today. All right, shit happened. We were going to a different Airbnb. I need it. We had to go to another place. We messed up one Airbnb booking, and we tried to rebook something else. We had to drive like an hour away. I had to stop at my cafe. I thought I'd already be in the other Airbnb in order for me to do my stream, but came to a little local cafe here, and yeah, just like had to pull in. We had to make a little detour, a little stop. So yeah, those of you who are here, I appreciate you all, because you guys are the real ones. You don't care what my setup looks like. I know it does look like I literally just makeshifted this. Looks very broke man setup, but it's fine, it's fine. We're here for one reason, to see me, my pretty face, number one. Number two, to make money, all right? Let me just check something here. I just got to check before we get into the charts, guys. Just give me a second. Okay, cool, cool. All right. Okay, as you can see, guys, gold is dropping at the moment. Obviously having a little bit, so this is London session opening up. We've got to see if this is going to be a little bit of manipulation. We want to figure out what the overall direction is. We're not going to just jump into this straight away. We want to see if we can find something more significant. So we're going to start top to bottom analysis and see where we exactly are. All right, let me just make this all clean, move all our drawings. Let's get a cool, clean canvas over here. We are still in one trade in the VIP, which is still running at the moment. So we are in a sell. And who of you in the VIP managed to catch the sell so far? Because this one is dumping at the moment. So we sent this one just before. I just want to identify this just so we have this in there. 1 second. So this looks like it's going to continue dumping, but I just want to put through. That's so crazy because I have my phone here. It's a little bit of a messy setup, guys. I'm not going to lie to you. Let me just do this. We've got a short position over here. We entered at 1403. So you're already earlier today. Somewhere over here. 1403. Somewhere there. So on a sell position. Stop loss was at 4840. It's just above this wick, actually. Above this candle. 4790. It's going to be our final take profit on here. This one 4790. So all the way down here. We're expecting price to continue just dropping. So this is the current trade that we currently in the VIP. We already smashed through take profit number 3. Take profit number 3 was 4610. Did any of you guys take this position already? Are you guys still holding the position? Did you manage to take some profits from here? As I'm looking down further over here, it's going to be our next demand zone over here, which we're looking at the next key level where we should bounce and come back down to. Before we get into analysis, I just want to make sure we are in control of this trade. I'm going to take this. So that perfectly aligns up with our demand zone over there on the 5-minute chart. Let's make this green. You can see it's a buying zone. So it'll be fine once you get to there. Let's see this. Okay. I took it, but I went to B after TP2, so I was out before this dump, unfortunately. That's okay. Happens. Potentially look for another entry. Continue looking for sells down to this level, because I feel like we're going to come down and tap into this level. Because if we look at this on the left-hand side, all this should be taken out, especially if we're going to have a bit of manipulation coming straight through. Because remember, guys, remember what I always tell you, on the left hand side, no structure, right? Which means that this candle is probably going to come down and melt this whole wick to the downside. So if it's going to be in this move, so any candle that will wick up, we're pretty much going to jump into an entry and we're going to target these lows again. So if you missed the first entry like we did in the last stream, we're pretty much going to get into the second entry as well. Now, I just want to see, because obviously this is market open, guys. That's why you're probably seeing the market volatility. I hope there's going to be a bit more volume coming in over time. Okay. So guys, this is obviously what we took into the VIP already today. Oh, fuck. Sorry, scares me. I've got my phone over there. I like try. It's like the most makeshift. If you're from South Africa, you know, we say a boer maak 'n plan. This is exactly what we're doing right now. But yeah, so basically, as you can see, we took this already in the VIP. This is the exact position. As you guys can see, if you guys want to get access to the VIP group, make sure to drop me a DM now, guys. Get your accounts locked and loaded. Then you guys can start taking this in real time. You don't have to wait for my live streams. You're already preemptively taking some trades. And this we already closed at $1,000 alone on the sell. And we continue to hold as we go. So this trade was sent there. Some of you guys did close at break even, but that's okay. We're going to be looking for another entry. So far the VIP has been eating. I think you guys, this one already made $2,000. This one 3,000, this one 1,000. Guys, we've been absolutely printing in the past week. This week's been insane. Who of you guys here in the chat are firstly new? And who of you guys are, well, firstly new, and then who of you guys have made money in this past week trading? Because you guys should have no excuse not to have made money this week. Just want to hear from you guys. Still nothing. Still nothing. Making profits, bro. Nice. Very good. Very good. Very good, very good. So guys, if you want to get access to all these groups, make sure to obviously let me know. With you and the rest of the legends. Nice, nice, nice. Printed small. Small is fine. Get access to the crypto signals, the AI signals, and the swing signals as well, plus the education. So you guys want to get access to all these groups, make sure to drop me a DM now. Made some of the best profits this week. Very nice, very nice. Made money with you. Love to see that. Love to see that. Print some money with the legends. Nice. 1 second. It's so cool. Me and my friend are sitting here and we're like, we're trying to get an Airbnb. And we got like 2 friends already going to this place. It's not even booked, bro. We are so, what are we gonna do, bro? I'm trying to like trade, I'm trying to do this community. I've got so much going on today. my brain is going to explode. You know, like my whole day did not go the way I wanted to at all. You know, last night I was up dealing with the situation. I went to sleep late. I woke up late. Oh, this day's been, you know, one of those days when you're just like, when you look back and you're like, damn, you know, I hope everything works out. So you guys, so what we're going to be looking at is, just give me a second. Don't worry guys, I am with you. I'm looking for another entry. I'm looking at the charts. I'm also just looking at life right now, you know. Let's see. Yeah, I want to continue looking for sales down here because I think what's going to basically happen, guys, is that we're going to come down and tap this. I think there's still liquidity being grabbed. I just want to confirm that we did have, firstly, a break of structure over here being formed. So price is turning still bearish. If this candle closes, this is the hour. It's going to be the next 15-minute candle, so the next 1 minute is going to close bearish. If we can get some sort of top wick to the upside and continue coming back down. Oh damn, they're like destroying our scooters, bro. So I am more than happy now, once we push a little bit up, to take a sell here, because we are going to close on that 15 minutes, and we're going to take a sell down to here. We can tap up to like at least somewhere here. Stop loss will be above here, that's fine. And we can start to target, I think, these lows at the bottom here. 4.41. So any sort of wick we get into, target this liquidity over here. So let's see if we can get into this zone over here. Tap into here, 4.3. Like tap into here, a little bit up, and we're going to enter on sells over here. Let's see, any sort of push up into this range, guys. 4.831 to 4. I'm going to basically put it down to here. Looking for a sell now. Get ready for sells, guys. Soon. So I'm going to put through the entry now. I'm trying to keep the chat here, guys, but I've got entry 4.4813 to 4.186. Oh, sorry, wait, 4.816 here. 4.816, that's fine. Stop loss is going to be 4.832. Okay, we're getting in there now, guys. Entering now on a sell. TP1 will be, I'd say 4.806. TP2 will be 4.800. TP3, we'll say final TP will be 4.781. So we're quite far down, 4.781. Let me just put it up here so you guys can see it. I know my chat's a bit weird. So there we're in, guys, in on sells at the moment. This is a previous position that we're in, so this is one that was in the VIP. Now we've got another trade that we're currently in, so obviously it's different stop losses. Let's see what's going to happen. Okay, while we're in the trade, guys, I'm just going to just check on this Airbnb real quick. Still nothing. I don't know what this Airbnb, this woman's saying, bro. Kindly notes, like, bro, like, oh, if it's gonna cost me, bro, to let you. That's what I feel like telling her. This lady on Airbnb is like, she tells me, yeah, there's construction noise, so you guys can cancel. And then we figured out that we booked a place in the wrong area. So yes, okay, it was our bad, but then she also gave us the alibi to obviously cancel. So we're like, okay, we're going to cancel. But we'll pay for the first day. No problem, right? Like, that's fair. But, like, I'm not going to stay out 2 nights. So, but that's, look, you guys, that's my problem. It's not your problem. So, it sounds like a me problem that only me can figure out. Or me and my mate, we're both in the same fucking situation right now. So, both pretty fucked. And we still, yeah, and he just reminded me we have an hour to drive there as well. But we don't have a place to stay. Oh, it just gets better and better. But anyways, guys, we're up 40 pips on this trade so far. This is not too bad, you know. It could be worse. Let's see if I can make enough money on this stream to pay for this next Airbnb. That'll be that'll be great. So I don't feel bad if I lose money on that one, you know. Oh, what a life we live, eh? Imagine this life, eh? Not many people can do it, eh? Let's, who of you guys, what was your guys' entries on this trade? Please let me know in the chatty McChatterson. Am I still connected on this chat? Can you guys still hear me, yeah? Imagine I just like wasn't streaming. Let me know in the chats, guys. Can you guys still hear me? Everything good? I don't know if this thing froze or something. Go to Bulgari, Bali. I was gonna go, but I might still go there. 4831. Okay, cool. 4813. Sorry. Okay, cool. So you guys did get in more or less where I got in. 4831. Yeah, you're good. All right, sweet. 48313. All right, perfect. Let's see what's gonna happen with this trade, guys. So obviously this was the volume candle pushing back down. It's fine, 4813. Yeah, cool. Who of you guys, is it your first time on the stream today? I'm looking a lot down, guys, because the chat's down there. I have to keep it on my phone because I can't open 2 windows on my laptop, unfortunately. So who of you, is it your first time on the stream today? You guys can let me know. Just want to give you a nice warm welcome, you know. But we might have to like just book another place, bro. I don't know. All right, here comes the dump, boys. Dump. Need more volume. Yeah, absolutely. I mean, this was the volume. We can't we can't deny that market open did push down quite a bit. I believe it opened up here, came down about 170 pips. I mean, it is quite big, but obviously on gold nowadays, like gold's like a meme coin, so it's like 150 pips now is like it's nothing. My friend's also a trader. Let me get his input. What do you see on gold? Welcome to the new folks, yeah. Welcome to the new folks. Bye. Friends on a little bye ski.
I'm looking for confirmation.
Nice. Hasn't bought just yet, so we might still be good. This is always the thing about trading, you know. Someone's going to win, someone's going to lose. 1 minute time frame, 4-minute range. Yeah. Here's what it is. I don't know, guys. I might actually close on this because no, I'm seeing something else now on the 1 minute as well. It's like my mate's fine. It's like, shit, dog. Shit. I just hate it when 2 people are like, oh, good at trading, and we both like disagreeing, but I hate that feeling, you know? Right, on the 1 hour, how are we looking? Joel, you know what I need? A snooze. How much is your MG? Huh? 18. Jesus, dude. No ways, bro. I'll be like, we're flying. Hopefully we can get some sort of rejection off this level. I feel like this is clean traffic here on the left. We should be able to take this out before making coming back down. I mean, there's still a strong possibility. Let's find a bit of a base at the moment. I'm trying to see where, I mean, support was found. It's not too bad, it's not too bad. We'll start to aggressively move stop loss into like break even at this point when we start to dump a bit. Let's see what can happen. So firstly, welcome to the new guys. I appreciate all of you who just joined. Hope we have a kick-ass session. Apologies if you just joined and you're looking at my setup like, who is this broke motherfucker? This is not my setup. This was like a last minute setup. Like we had to just jump to a cafe and yeah, I don't even know where I am, dude. Like, I'm gonna be honest, I don't know where I am. As long as that's what I'll tell you guys. I tell you guys, ooh, wait, she replied. No ways, dude. Bro, the Airbnb we just booked sold out as well. Oh my days, bro. This is a clusterfuck, mate. This is such a mess, mate. Yeah, guys. So this Airbnb we just booked. I know again it's my problem, but this it just gets worse and worse. This Airbnb we booked now just said, hey, we sold out. I'm like, oh my days, dude. Now I literally don't know what we're gonna do. That's why it's good having money, right? You can figure it out. Like I still have an Airbnb this side, but I mean, at least have a place. Oh my days, dude. Just tell him to sit at a cafe for now, bro. Tell him to sit at a cafe for now. We're trying to figure it out. Tell him it is a mess, but we're trying to figure it out. Right, guys, I can't see the chat at the moment because my friend's currently using the phone. I will get back to any questions, but as you can see for now, it is pushing down slightly, so which is good for us because I really need to pay for my next Airbnb, you know what I mean? So we need to actually make money. Stays looking a bit pricey. All right, guys, 30 pips away from TP1. Let me just draw a little line. Oh, no. I'm not doing my lines anymore, guys. It's just that weird design, no? All right, let's go, baby. 40 pips. So now currently we're in. Steep, bro. Come on, guys. 30 pips on TP1. Nah. For free. Tell them. No, make sure off your phone. Because I need to go to my YouTube chat.
Just let me do this.
Alright guys, so again, like we're on the stream here, I can't see the comments right now. Okay, wait, I'm getting back to you guys now, 1 second. Okay, where do you want to sleep tonight now? Nah, I'll make a plan, don't worry about me, Anna. I know you're very concerning. When BE set, yeah, no line. Definitely no lines. We're not doing that stuff anymore. The lines We all know what happens with the lines. They are watching us. Do we set BE? Not just yet. No. Trying to see why it's sort of ranging between. Okay. Sorry about that, guys. Don't know what happened there. All good. No more lines. No more lines. Guys are like forming a cult against my lines. What's up with that? Bro, it's just a black line, bro. What's the worst that it could do, dude? We all know what those black lines tell, bro. I'd love to do them in the opposite direction, you know? Let's see if we can have another little dump here. Do we have any... Do we have any... We want food. Let's see if there's any... news today, wait. Nah, only had like 8:30, so still got a bit of time. No red folders. Possibly tomorrow. What did they say? They good with it? Yeah. Hey? One second, guys, I'll be with you now. Trying to book this Airbnb. Then I'm just gonna refund these guys the cash and call it a day, bro.
No, we're gonna Savaya, we can't cancel.
No, Savaya we go.
We just go.
But then we just...
Then we're gonna try that.
Yeah, but that's a part of the fun, mate.
That's a problem for later.
That sounds like a tomorrow's problem, mate.
Tonight's problem.
Tomorrow morning, no? Tomorrow morning, no? What time are we leaving that place? Savaya. It's tomorrow's problem. It's tomorrow's problem. Today's today, tomorrow's tomorrow, bro. Oh, we are so fucked.
Okay.
Yeah, I tried now. Okay, so we black line won't do damage, but a white one. The white powder, bruv. The baking soda. Baking soda. I got baking soda. Okay, I think we might have a place to stay, guys. Wait. But it didn't come up as a reservation. Oh, there, requested it.
Red.
Hey?
Read it already.
Really? Oh, nice. Okay, just wait. Just give him time. Let him just reply. We don't want to seem desperate.
We're paying 1,400.
Yeah, you accepted, bro. 1,400 for like 3 days, bro. It's crazy. Alright, guys. Sorry that I'm not so much, locked in with you guys, but this is what we do every single day. So obviously, this stream is a little bit out of the norm, guys. But if you want to get access, if it's your first time here, you want to join the VIP and you want to get these signals in real time. Before I stream, before I go up to date, we send about 2 to 5 of these winning gold trades every single day. And look how much money we've been making, 1,000, or just today already, 1,000 on there, 1,000 on there, 2,000 on there, 1,000 on there, 3,000. This is all this week alone, guys. And here comes the absolute dumpage. All right, here comes the motherfucking dumpage. We're gonna stay in an Airbnb tonight. Hey? All right, guys. So we're currently dumping now. And my friend's like saying, this is exactly what I wanted to see. It's like, yeah. Okay, at this point, guys, we're going to move stop loss break even. We expect some sort of price to bounce. Okay, wait, that's fine. That's good. Wait. Oh, my days, bro. You can't either.
What?
Only have one room available. Dude, are you serious? Try something else. That's good, bro. What is going on, dude? Guys, note to self, don't book an Airbnb on the day, mate. This is madness. Alright. Okay, I don't want any sort of reversal now. I'm going to move my stop loss break even on this trade, guys. Make this risk-free so we can continue melting from down here. If we get taken out of BE, we're going to be looking for another position. Don't worry about it. But yeah, let's keep this as a BE trade. Let's see if we can hit TP1 before. Let's see. So you guys want to start taking a little bit of profits now. We're currently in.
Try this one.
Is this good?
Yeah, nearby as well.
Business.
Yeah, he's also saying
Hey?
if they cancel this one, we book 2 villas, 2 bedroom, 2 bedroom. They book 2 bedroom, we book 2 bedroom.
Yeah. So guys, 1 second, I'll be with you now. I'm just trying to book this other Airbnb. My card's gonna get blocked here soon, bro. They just keep. Wait, what?
What?
8 bedrooms, bro.
Yeah, but it's $1,300. Same price as we booked a 4 bedroom.
Does anyone want to come to Bali? We got 8 bedrooms, bro. Yeah, bro, but you see the rooms, bro.
But that's one.
Looks pretty alright, mate. It looks very average, bro.
Yeah, for 1,300 it's good.
Very average, mate. I think it's pretty mid, mate. With the price, it's not bad, but it's pretty mid. Sorry, guys, I'm back with you now.
We booked it already.
Is it confirmed?
Wait.
If we have 8 bedrooms, we're just gonna have a little fucking fuck off fiesta. We just tell everyone, yo, house party tonight, boys. Bring in the ladies. Who are
They
you going?
accepted this.
What?
New dates. They accepted it.
That's good.
Goodwill.
That's good then.
Okay.
Listen, we accepted your request as a gesture of goodwill. We truly appreciate your kind understanding that no negative review will be left, and we will do our best to really appreciate this. Thanks very much. Alright guys, we in business. Tell him that we're gonna get refunded, I think like 350, so we're gonna pay for the first night. Tell him that. Alright guys, I'm back with you. Sorry, wait. I'm just trying to figure all this shit out here. Wait, what's going on? Still on Bali. Wait, I need to reply to my chat. 1 second. Black line, okay, still in Bali, almost TP1 and little up. Yeah. Haha, you don't have to share the bedroom. Be careful there, Anna. Be careful there. You know what I mean? You know, you never know what's gonna happen later. I'm cooked. What happened, bruv? Why are you cooked? He's here in the morning, so no cooking for me. Very good, very good. Okay, I have to hand the phone back over, guys. Like, literally, bro. Apparently we only have like one phone. Oh, bro, this is the most stressful. Oh. You know that one of those days when you just want to breathe, you know? We could possibly get another position, guys. Don't worry. No, I need to plug my nose. Oh, shit. Thank you, sir. I need to plug my nose. Shit. Okay, guys, what are we looking at? The price at the moment still coming up slightly. We stopped this to break even. We're going to make this a bit of a risk-free trade. It came back down. Let's check if the lows were swept. I still think that this is going to be tapped potentially today. But like I said, if it wants to come up a little bit further, that's also fine first. But I still think by today, this is going to be tapped. 4790, like minimum. It's just like, unfortunately, the problem is, I don't know, I'm trying to see, because what I'm noticing is if we come on at like 4 p.m. this time, you know, the move's already happened, you know. So we might have to go a little bit earlier. I don't know if that'll be okay for some of you guys, but it just makes more sense, because what we've been noticing when I start the stream, we're not seeing any volume, you know, and it's a bit slow, you know what I mean? So like in this session alone, we only peaked at what, like...
If they don't accept it, we do this for each other.
Okay.
That's 350 as well each. It's a 3-bet.
350 each?
Yeah. That's what we already booked for the another one as well, 1400. So.
Sweating, mate. Okay, so this one is... So we entered at, let's say that. We peaked at around only 60 pips, nothing too crazy on this. We need a red elephant candle, as we call it, mate. You know what I mean? One red elephant candle in the motherfucking easy. Okay, let me get back to the chats here. Thank you guys, thanks for the bless you. Ash noise, up, down, left, right, center, middle, down, down, middle. Damn. For me, it's okay early. It's here, 10:40 in the morning. Yeah, I think people in the UK though, it'll be like, it obviously that's London session, so it'll open up at 9. You know, it'll be like 8:30 for some people. I think it's still okay. I think it'll be okay. I'm potentially going to consider streaming 30 minutes. Bro, she cancelled.
She actually did?
Yeah.
Okay, so then we do that one. I put it on wish list.
But wait. But if we're getting a two-bedroom villa,
that's what I'm looking for.
How is that set? Are they going to book their own?
Yeah.
Okay, so tell them to book their own. Tell them to book their own, yeah.
See this one. It's 10 minutes from Sabaya. $760.
For 2 bedrooms, for 2 of us. 3.
It's a 3-bed, but we take it each other.
Is there nothing else?
Not really, bro. It's like even more expensive. Like 800.
It's for like 2-3 nights.
I'll pay over half. I'll pay like 60%. I'm fine with that.
No, for me, I don't mind, but
But it looks good and it's nearby Sabaya. That's like good.
yeah, it is quite a prime villa. Looks pretty juicy, this villa.
I'll just book it. Fuck it.
It's got a gym inside as well.
Perfect.
Alright, let's take it, fuck it. Alright. Right, guys, I gotta book this now. Another one. Let's hope they accept this. Look how cool this villa looks, guys. Pretty sick little villa, this one. For me and my mate. So me and my mate are both traders. Come say what up. Come say what up to the chat. My friend Shia, is also a trader. So yeah, we currently are trying to hustle. I'll show you guys a little picture of what it looks like. Confirmed, bro. I think it's confirmed.
Which one? No way. I want to have a place to sleep, bro.
It's confirmed. It's confirmed.
No way.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Straight away, yeah.
Which one? The nice one?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. Alright, boys.
Guys, we don't have to sleep in the woods.
Yeah. Chicken off the 5 p.m. Ah, perfect. Yeah,
Okay, yeah, that's fine. That's fine.
yeah, makes sense. Okay, we hit BE.
Sorry, guys, for the distractions.
Fuck me up the stream. Are you sure this is like legit though? Eh? Check if it's like good. Alright, guys, let's look for another setup. Oh fuck, my battery's getting low. Yeah, 22%. Okay, that's still fine. Still fine. Don't worry, guys. We hit BE on this trade, I believe. So let's try and look for another setup. It's looking like we could have a potential reversal. So this is what I was expecting. This is what I was waiting for. I was waiting to see if we continue to create structure down here and we don't have a move, right? We're pretty much going to just recreate this. Pretty much between that now. So between these levels now. Pretty much bounce between these levels at the moment.
Okay, that's good.
47 minutes, yeah, it's fine. Let me just check with the chat. Tell them that I'm just waiting for the refund. I'll refund them. Oh, I'll just refund them now, bro.
No, wait, it's okay. Don't send them everything, huh? Because there's...
Yeah. Just tell them I'm streaming now. I'll sort it out afterwards. Just tell them that we're taking a hit on one night. But we're getting 350 back or something like that. Alright, sorry guys, let me get back to the chat here. Sorry guys, sometimes just life happens, you know, gotta be more. You're from South Africa? Yes sir. Yes sir, I am. In Hong Kong now. Still no place to sleep, no 8 bedrooms. Yeah, no, we didn't get stopped out. Whoa. We hit break even, bro. Like, it's a big difference, you know? Shit. Whoa. You got stopped out, you did something wrong, bro. No, it's cool. I was expecting something like this. I was expecting this drop. I do feel like we're going to take out this liquidity over here on the left-hand side. But always, guys, you always got to remember when, we don't know. But don't worry, guys. I do have a place to stay. That's a win. You know? So we broke even on the trade. But, hey, you're going to go. Oh, it's all wait for me, rather. Hey? Maybe another... Depends if we get into another trade. But just wait, there's no point in rushing. Because where do you want to be at to buy at 6? No.
We have to wait for them as well. We're not going to go by ourselves.
Yeah, no.
But our prime time is at 6 p.m. for sunset and pool.
6 p.m. till sunset.
That's sunset. 6 p.m.
Nice. Alright guys, so we're just still waiting for Vista Forex. Yeah, I'm from South Africa, dude. I'm from South Africa. Let's see what else we can have. Does the villa have a bathroom so you don't end up in the same situation? Bro, that's gas, mate. It was so bad. And you know what's funny, eh? I know it's like personal matter, but like, you know, when I got to the nice restaurant, I didn't need to go anymore. And I'm like, bruv, you know, are you serious, bro? It's always like that, you know, when you really need to go, and then you keep it in a little bit, you know, and then you're like, shit. I'm telling you guys about my adventures in the bathroom, mate. It's crazy. It's how close I came with the chat now, you know what I mean? Telling you guys my daily routine on there. That's nuts. But yeah, no, we didn't have a repeat. Are we buying? Full port buying, eh? I like when it rains. I need more confirmations as we're going to change in structure over here. I think I like when it rains.
Okay, they got one bill as well.
Nice. If we push up a little bit more, guys, I'm going to get in on another sell. I see more buys happening at 4804 levels, somewhere down here, break of structure. So I'm happy with taking more buys down here, 4804. If we come down first, like send out to this level, then I'm going to be happy to take a buy back up. Let's see. So now we've got two options, right? Got two options. So this is invalidated for now. We're going to remove that. Now what we're going to wait for is our second confirmation. Wait for some sort of confirmation.
You know why I wouldn't take... Can I give my view of the chart?
What's your opinion, brother?
There's nothing really happening today.
Yeah, I know.
Like when it comes to fundamentals. So
There's no news.
there's not going to be a lot of volume. Are you still in that first sell position?
Break even. Got out. But I still think it's going to dump. Like I want it to come down a little bit lower, like 4804. I'll be happy to take a buy off that. What are you still looking for sells?
Buys.
Yeah, but where would you enter on a buy? Let me just remove this for now.
So I want on the lower time frame, so 3 minutes, I wanted to break this really high.
Yeah,
point.
close above there.
Yeah.
But look, if it comes down first for a nice little bottom wick and ends off that, it'll be perfect.
But you know, like personally, we are in a demand zone. So what I'm expecting, like you can see the wicks we see here, right?
Your demand zone's on the 3 minute.
No, it's on the 15 minute.
Check.
No, not that one.
This one.
Like from, yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
So we wicked in there, and you can see how it's responding. So me personally, when I see a response like that, I look for confirmations, lower time frame, but I already like the way it's responding. Like look at the 1 hour wick we created.
Yeah,
Like
quite
it's
nice
straight
bottom
up
wick. Rejected off that, yeah.
rejected off a bit. So me personally, I look for confirmation, but I'm expecting price to go higher.
Let's see if I look for a buy now, but it's yeah, now not. We're in the middle of this. I mean, if we pull out this little range right now, yeah, like Ilya said, zero volume at the moment. You see the problem, guys, is oh, excuse me. It's always tough, you know, coming live streaming. You know, sometimes you just don't know when the volume's going to come in. You know, we might get blessed while we. There we go. The man said it himself. We don't want to force a position. Like that's the one thing that I don't do, guys. I never ever force a position. I never ever tell you guys something wrong because I'm at the end of the day taking the same trade as you. So if I lose, hey, help. Anybody help? This is like when the gold price is going down. Help. What's this, bro? Okay, we got a little message. Somebody help. This person seems very friendly. Hi, you're very welcome. Gave me the whole, you know, thing. Right? Drinks, shots.
We leave now, we're gonna arrive at the city.
Yeah, but that's fine. All we did is do shower up and go. And how far is it from Savaya? 10 minutes. That's fine. So, realistically, leave off. Look, I've only got 17% juice left in my laptop, so I'm gonna run that down, and then how we go. It's about I don't know. Guys, I'm gonna stay here until my battery dies. Unfortunately, don't have a cable here, don't have an adapter. Yeah. 39 minutes before stream gold. I know that's the annoying part. What's funny is the same what happened last time, guys. Remember the same on the VIP group. Literally, before we jumped on the Tuesday stream, let me go up to it. So Tuesday was 15th and then 14th. So yesterday was the 15th. Yeah, the same when just before we jumped on the stream. And where am I? We had the sell as well, I believe. Oh, sorry, it was the buy, I believe. This one. We entered another buy. No, this one, sorry, the sell. Wait. I'm tripping, aren't you, bro? This is the 14th, right? 14th was a Tuesday, yeah. This is what we took on. We streamed at 4. Yeah, this one. It was a buy. And you see TP2, TP1, TP2 hits. It's always before the session starts. Sometimes we find the volume. And that's why I'm telling you guys, you need to get into the VIP because this is what happens. You know, we can't exactly predict when the market wants to wake up and do something, right? So it's important that you guys join in on the VIP. It's completely for free. Jump in, start making profits, start living in Bali, start living a life that you deserve, all right? This is from the LMB himself. Stop being a worthless fucking loser and pick up the phone and start dialing. You know? Like I said, like I heard the best piece of advice yesterday, right? You guys want to hear it, right? So I said it in the group, but for those of you guys that didn't see it, someone said a very good quote, right? The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The best time to plant a tree is now, right? That makes sense. You know, you can't look back on the past. This is how we're going to grow, succeed. I love that quote, man. That quote's like resonates with me. But right now, we got a bit of a Lexi Varner range. Bro, look at it. It's perfectly ranging between my black lines. What can I say, bro? Just it respects the black lines. Look at that. I didn't even draw that before. Like I didn't even look how I respected it. Completely between these two lines that I drew. It's like allergic, bro. It's like nope, going up, nope. You guys seen what I'm seeing? How crazy is that? Crazy. So yeah, no volume, no cry. How much battery do I have? 15%. Shoot. I'm waiting to see if there's any sort of spike. Don't see anything, bro. He said shop nearby.
We'll find one when we go petrol. We need to put in petrol.
You know what they always say? Can't get worse, though. Boys, I bought a new watch. Nothing's going right, bro. Yeah, he'll pay up, hit break even, so I don't have money. Can't even pay for the bill, guys. Fuck. Just hit break even, I don't have any money to pay for this. Bro, nothing's going right, bro. Everything's fucked. And guys, I bought myself a new watch. What do you guys think? Let's try it on. It's clean, eh? Nah. I'm switching my AP, bro. This motherfucker wants to switch the AP for this Patek, because Patek is juicy. It is juicy, but it's not my AP, bro. AP is my baby, my
I'm on the wait list in Dubai Mall for this one.
for the
For
Royal.
the steel one. Exactly this one, the 38.
Yeah?
Black dial,
With the black dial.
white.
The white is juicier. Best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago, and the second best time is now. Wise words, Mr. Luke. I know, it's sick, eh? Switch your Twitch to battery saver. Low power mode is on. Hope you and chat are well. What's up, Omen, bro? I hope you are good, bro. It's been a while, dude. It's been a while. It's been a while, bro. Yeah, that quote actually like resonated with me, you know. It was just like, you know, if I keep looking back at like certain things that I did in life, you know, and I look back and I keep comparing myself, like now I'm 30 years old. It's a start of a new chapter, right? Now I can't compare myself to my 20s. Someone asked me actually yesterday, or someone actually asked me the other day, what is something that you would change in your 20s that you would take over that you wouldn't do in your 30s? And I looked at him, I said, absolutely fucking nothing. I would change nothing. I'm so happy I did everything in my 20s. All the good, all the bad, all the ugly, whatever it was. It grew me into the person I am today. So amen to that. Can I get an amen? Right guys, a little bit of volume coming in. I mean, nothing too crazy. Just, you see guys, I touched my black line and literally instantly rejects, bro. It's like a joke, dude. Like, literally, look at that. It's crazy, it's crazy. It's like they know, bro. I can literally just draw two black lines on the chart and be like, boom, that's all we're gonna trade, guys. Buy when it, sell when it hits the top one, buy when it's the bottom one. Where would you next sell? At the bids, potentially a little bit higher. I wouldn't be looking for sells around this. I would wait for, you guys can see there's a little bit of accumulation happening over here. So right now, I personally, what I'm waiting for, if you guys, so this is what I've been expecting, this. I want this to come down first, right? I want this to come down first here, tap into this. Now we might have a little bit of price action happening, something like this, down to these levels. So that's one thing that I'm looking at. That damn line, Luke, I know, it's crazy, bro. Just respect the two lines, then you'll make money. It's literally that easy. I don't know how it respects it so perfectly every time, you know? It's just about knowing your levels, you know. If you know your levels, you know how to trade, bro. You know what I mean? How much battery do I have? 13%. This little tiny arrow. Yeah, I would. The thing is, you know, you had a break. You had some structure being formed over here. We'll just draw this quickly. I can't keep my phone there. Gravity. Dana, there's some John Mayer over here in the building. Crazy. Oof. Gets me going, eh? Can't have a bad day when you listen to John Mayer. It's like you can see some sort of resistance was formed there. Then obviously price fell to break above that. Price created a new lower high, and then we had a break of structure over here. And price continued to go down. So this is what caused us to pull back down. Unless this price starts to reject and starts to pull back up, and we start to see closures at least above this lower high, we start to continue climbing, then I wouldn't be looking for sells just yet. More sells if we start to continue to break down and start to target these levels. But guys, obviously I will be updating you in the VIP. Will it be a reversal? I don't see, well, me and my mates discussed that we do see a 15-minute supply zone, demand zone being formed, but like over here, we took this wick over here, let me just identify this. But the problem is taking a buy now, it's not that great because of just based on the volume. So price could come down a bit lower. If we were to take a buy from there, target these highs, it'll be something like that. But you see price pretty much perfectly tapped into this week over here, created us a little demand zone over here. I posted a reel. I was like wondering who's commented on my shit. One second, guys. Just gonna. I should probably post my carousel now.
Two of us.
7. That's at like 12 o'clock.
Yeah. Did you buy it?
No, not yet. It's not bad buys now, man.
It's not worth it.
It's not worth it, yo. Because you're gonna sit through like a bit of pain for a while, you know.
It's not like A+, you know?
Not at all. It's more like C minus. C minus with the inversion value gap, with the Fibonacci retracement, with the, you know, doesn't look good on the systematic plays, if you know what I mean. Yeah, sells a bit more up this side. Like, yeah, 4, 5 around here. This would be my next like sell-in zone above here. I'd be happy with sells above these levels. So this is the kind of the logistics I'm looking at for today, all right, guys? So if I'm looking at this, just before my laptop dies and then the whole world comes crashing and burning, once we tap up into these levels, we start looking for sells. We're more better selling positions. But that's pretty much it for now. Like, it's all that. Did I get charged for this fella? Oh yeah, I did, yeah. Yeah, guys, it's realistically should have a nice reversal and tap to the upside here, but at the same time, there's not much volume on the stream. You know, not as much as we expected. Market is so sensitive to oil at the moment. Where do you see the price of oil heading short term? Guys, that is, I said that to you guys on last stream. I said that to you guys on every single stream. Oil price is so manipulated right now. It is insane. You know, you never know what Trump's going to tweet. You never know what's going to happen. You don't know you just don't know, right? Trading oil now, Strait of Hormuz is being closed. Then it reopens. Then Donald Trump wants to send troops. Then this happens and that happens. It's like, all right, it's clearly manipulated. Like, you trying to trade these crazy conditions, good luck. That's what I'm going to say. Good luck. Because you're going to get wrecked. Talking about oil prices. Oil, it's just gambling, bro. You're gambling on what Donald Trump's going to say. Or what's Iran going to do. So if you want to take it, if you want to be a gambler, either buy or either sell. It's the best advice I can give you. And something's going to happen. It's either going to go up or it's going to go down. But I'm not going to give my opinion on that until everything settles. Because right now it's just looking like a lot of bullshit. And I don't trade bullshit. Let's get the reversal and a buy. It's not necessarily that I want to get, only once price taps into this level, will I look for more sells. So that's still the VIP trade. I'll delete that for now. This is looking a bit shitty. probably below there. 1.2 RR on this trade, that'll be fine. But besides that, that's pretty much the setups. New in buys.
No, I'm not gonna take it.
Yeah, I know. I would potentially take it, but it's like I've got 10% battery now. But I will be updating you guys. Guys, if you want to get access to the VIP, all right. Let me just check what's happening here. Guys want to get access to the VIP in real time. Make sure to obviously drop me. Dude, what's this person messaging me the whole time for? If you want to get access to the VIP, make sure to drop me there. It's completely free to join, guys. You guys literally can get these signals in real time. You guys don't have to wait. You guys don't have to, wait for me to come on stream. You guys can make money during the week and also on the weekends, guys. It's also important that you guys can come in, look at the crypto trades, look at the crypto, over 90% win rate on the crypto alone. You guys can be making money on this. You guys can trade all different types of cryptos. Look here, band, soul, anything that pretty much has a chart on crypto, it reads it with an algorithm, which is great. And you also get access to the AI signals, which is absolutely been printing. But look at this, TP2, TP3. This is all what you get access to, guys. So pretty cool. If you have any questions regarding any of these groups, make sure to drop me a DM and let's get you set up and started, and you guys can start making money from there. Now, this is obviously my free group, so if you want to wait, if you want to be waiting for the free group, we do send some, obviously send free trades here. So if you guys want to see what I'm about, take your time, take some free trades, no rush. Yeah, you're right about the 0.5% move in the oil can dump gold. That's the issue. Yeah, just oil is like, I read the first move. I said if the Strait of Hormuz is going to remain closed, then we're going to see gold dump to 96, which I did say around to that level, which is perfectly on the point. It dumped a bit lower, but besides that, yeah, there's nothing else. All right, guys, looks like there's not much going to happen. I'm going to be updating you guys on this further on the sells once we tap into 4844 around these levels. So make sure to keep that signal in your head. I'm going to be jumping off now because my battery's going to die. But I will be updating you guys. Potentially, I'm going to give this as a free trade. So if you guys want to get access to this, make sure to drop me a DM now. Get you guys locked and loaded. But yeah, thanks again for everyone who tuned in on the stream today. I really appreciate you all. It wasn't a very well-planned stream because it was a little bit last minute, but I still wanted to show up for you guys. And I hope you guys have a great rest of your Thursday. And let's absolutely make some money and end the week off strong. Peace out for now, guys. And if you want to get access to the VIP, drop me a DM right now. Thanks a lot. Appreciate you all. Much love. And appreciate all the comments from you guys, yeah?